Hey, what's up guys, this is Vinay. So in this video we will see how we can install Selenium WebDriver in our IDE PyCharm, and so that we can start working on our Selenium script. Okay, so how we'll do, we'll go to command prompt. It's pretty much simple, it's a very short video actually. Then in our command prompt we can check our Python like this. You already know in previous tutorial Python. Suppose you're writing my Python V, you can see Python version. After this, suppose I want to install, I already told pip install Selenium. Okay, so like this, when you enter, it will start installing Selenium in your environment. So see, it's taking time. It started collecting Selenium part, so it will take time. See, it start Selenium 340. You can see pip list. Selenium should be there. It's taking time today. Pip list. Okay, yeah, it's showing weed, it's showing, yeah, it's Selenium 3.14, it's the latest version, it had downloaded. Okay, now I will go to my PyCharm. I will see whether we are finding Selenium option there or not. Okay, so like this you can open, go to setting. Okay, then it will open a setting window here. Yeah, it's a setting window. In earlier video I told you regarding project interpreter. You can go there. Currently my project interpreter is Python tutorial. You will not find Selenium here, so I will change my part here. So now here I will go. I will change to 3.4, right? And this environment we have installed from our command prompt. So see, here we are getting the Selenium option, wheel option, everything we install, we are getting here. So this is the brief video regarding how we can install the Selenium and all. So okay guys, in next tutorial we will see how we can create our first script in our Selenium part. Okay, if you really like this video, then give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video.